Imagine a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just assist us. It powers entire industries, predicts the future, and maybe even helps us solve problems we can't tackle today. Sounds like science fiction. Well, it's already happening. And the AI revolution is hitting Wall Street faster than ever. From mind-blowing quantum computers to nuclear-powered data centers, AI isn't just software. It's the infrastructure, the energy, and the intelligence of tomorrow. If you're an investor wondering where the next big gains are hiding, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 AI stocks you need to watch right now, covering every angle of AI, from chips and the cloud to quantum breakthroughs and clean energy. These aren't just tech plays, they're bets on the future itself. Welcome to Money Mind Finance. If you're new here, we break down the biggest stories in tech, finance, and innovation, and everything stock news analysis in a way that's fun, easy to follow, and worth your time. Before we dive in, please take a second to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also subscribe. Please help this video to get at least 500 likes. It really helps to support the channel and keeps us bringing you the latest market insight. Thank you. But before we get started, remember this video is for informational purposes only and isn't financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. All right, let's kick things off with a look at the cutting edge of AI technology. And when I say cutting edge, I mean literally the stuff that could make today's computers look like calculators. First up, IONQ Inc., ticker symbol IONQ. If you haven't heard of quantum computing yet, you're about to. Think of it like this. Classical computers, even the most powerful GPUs, are like trying to read a book one word at a time. Quantum computers are flipping through entire chapters simultaneously. That's the promise of IONQ's trapped hain quantum computers. They're designed to solve problems that traditional silicon simply can't touch. And why does this matter for AI? Training AI models is insanely resource-intensive. What might take a conventional GPU weeks to process could take IONQ's quantum systems mere hours. They're already tackling optimization problems central to AI, things like selecting the most important data features, fine-tuning learning processes, hyperparameter tuning, and even figuring out the best neural network architectures. IONQ's tech isn't just theory. It's live on Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure, accelerating AI workloads in areas like drug discovery and financial modeling. Sure, the company only pulled in about $43 million in revenue in 2024, which seems tiny, but it's all about the potential. Analysts predict that revenue could hit $91 million in 2025 and over $170 million by 2026. Now here's the kicker. Investing in IONQ is a bit like betting on biotech. Huge upside if the tech works, but high risk if it stalls. It's not for the faint of heart, but it's the kind of story that could define the next decade in AI. If you're enjoying these market insights and finding them helpful, please take a moment to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Next up is a stock that might surprise you. Oklo Inc., ticker symbol OKLO. Yep, nuclear energy. And before you raise an eyebrow, hear me out. I is hungry, really hungry. One chat query uses roughly 10 times the electricity of a standard Google search. And as AI adoption explodes, global data center energy demands are projected to double by 2030. That's where Oklo comes in. They're building compact, fast nuclear reactors called Aurora reactors. They can provide clean, reliable, 24/7 power directly to data centers. No grid dependence, no transmission losses, just constant power for AI clusters that never sleep. And get this, the project has backing from Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, and talks are underway with major tech companies. The rollout isn't expected until late 2027. So this is a long-term play. But if AI's energy appetite forces a nuclear renaissance, Oklo could be sitting on the infrastructure of the future. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it's exactly the kind of out-of-the-box thinking that investors love to watch. Now let's bring it back to a more familiar name, Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Unlike speculative bets, Microsoft is embedding AI across its entire empire, from Office to Azure. Their $13 billion investment in OpenAI gives them exclusive cloud rights and first dib on the most advanced language models. And the results are already showing. Azure's growth jumped 30% last quarter alone, thanks in large part to AI adoption. With 365 million Office users and 60% of Fortune 500 companies on Azure, Microsoft isn't just dipping a toe into AI. They're making it the backbone of their business. If you want a blue-chip way to ride the AI wave with less risk than a quantum startup or nuclear energy venture, Microsoft is that anchor. It's a story of tried and true enterprise dominance meeting cutting-edge AI innovation. Speaking of cutting-edge, let's talk about Meta Platforms. Meta is investing tens of billions into AI, building its own custom silicon and deploying AI across its social platforms. Their Llama models go head-to-head with closed-source alternatives from OpenAI. But here's the twist. Meta is staking an open-source approach, which could speed up AI adoption faster than most people expect. With over 3.3 billion daily active users, Meta has a unique distribution network for AI products, meaning any breakthrough in consumer-facing artificial general intelligence could appear first through its apps. This stock represents asymmetric upside, the potential for massive gains if they pull off something revolutionary. But it's a big bet on the future of AI infrastructure and consumer adoption. If you're enjoying these market insights and finding them helpful, please take a moment to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Finally, we have Oracle, a company that's quietly transforming itself into an AI infrastructure heavyweight. Their booked backlog, basically future revenue, jumped to $455 billion last quarter, up a staggering 359% year-over-year. Cloud revenue alone hit $7.2 billion, up 28% from the previous year. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is projected to bring in $18 billion by fiscal 2026. They're quietly partnering with major AI players like OpenAI and Meta, and the magnitude of their backlog suggests Oracle's transformation is in full swing. This is the story of a traditional enterprise giant reinventing itself for the AI era. And investors who catch it early could ride a huge wave of growth. So there you have it. 5 AI stocks that span the spectrum from speculative quantum computing to nuclear-powered AI data centers, enterprise giants, Augie pioneers, and cloud challengers. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here, and it's reshaping everything from software to infrastructure to energy itself. If you're enjoying these market insights and finding them helpful, please take a moment to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. So tell me, which of these AI stocks excites you the most? Are you all in on the blue-chip giants like Microsoft and Oracle? Or are you betting on the quantum and nuclear wild cards like Ionc and Oklo? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more insights on the tech shaping our future, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more weekly breakdowns of the latest investing trends and emerging tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.